Ang walking cane o ang white stick ang pinaka-importanting tool para sa independence natin. Dahil kapag nagamit natin ito ng tama, ay parang nakikita na rin natin ang lahat ng obstacles sa harap natin. So, sinong gustong maunang mag-try ng ating walking cane? Janella? Miss Janella? So, stand up. Ganito ang tamang paggamit ng ating white stick. Sige, i-open na natin siya. Ayan. Very good. Okay. So, kapag kaliwang pa ang una mong ihahakbang, ayan. Okay, yung paghawak natin, ganito. Ayan, very good. Very good. So, kapag kaliwang pa ang unang ihahakbang, kinakailangan yung stick natin nasa kanan. Sige, isang step nga. Okay. And then, kapag kanang paa naman ang ihahakbang, dapat yung stick natin ay nasa kaliwa naman. Sige, step nga natin. Very good. Okay, isa pa. Very good. Okay, so stop. Sige, turn around. Yan, very good. O, isa pa, ulit. Kaliwa. Kanan. Okay. So, you may take your seat first. Very good. You're doing a great job. Sino pang next na gustong mag-volunteer? Sige, next. Miss Ellen, right? Okay, so i-open muna natin yung white stick. Extend muna natin. Yan. Yan. Tama. So, let's face your left side. Ayan. Yan. Okay, next. Very good. Go on. Yes, very good. Nice. You're doing great job. Ay, Grace. Ayan. Pwedeng pakibaba na lang yung kamay. So, try mo i-relax. Relax lang. Ayan. So, this time, hayaan mo na lang yung white stick mo na mag-guide sa'yo habang naglalakad ka. Okay? So, sir, paki-guide na lang si Grace sa starting point natin.
Come on, over here. Sige, okay. Dito lang. Okay.
Sige, let's try. Relax. Relax lang.
One more.
Ayan. Okay, so just keep walking.
Keep your hand down.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Okay, good job.
So, kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang mag-practice para masanay tayo. Very good.
There you go.
Very nice.
Oh, hey. Careful. Okay ka lang? Okay, that's good.
Grace, are you okay?
Opo.
So, tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagpapractice, ha? Just keep on trying. Just keep on walking. Ganyan talaga. Minsan, hindi natin may iwasan na mahulog tayo. Pero, huwag kang matakot.
Yeah.
Okay po. Sige na, sir. Pwede niyo na po siyang i-guide ulit. Start na po tayo ng practice.
Yeah. One more.
So, dahan-dahan lang.
Tara, dito.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Over here. Okay.
Very good.
Ito yung pader.
Kamusta naman dito sa Ellen? Very good. Kaya na ni Ellen, ha?
Okay. Tara.
Nice.
Okay, good job.